Everyone is panicking. AI is taking jobs, mass layoffs, robots replacing humans. So here's the real question. If people are losing jobs, why are stocks hitting all-time highs in 2026? Something doesn't add up, and most people are completely misunderstanding what's happening. Yes, AI is replacing jobs, customer service, basic coding, design, even legal research. Companies are cutting costs. And Wall Street loves cost-cutting. When companies fire 5,000 workers, their stock usually goes up. Why? Because profits increase. AI doesn't need salary. AI doesn't need healthcare. AI doesn't complain. AI works 24/7. From an investor's perspective, it's a dream. From a worker's perspective, it's terrifying. Here's what most YouTubers won't say. The stock market is not a jobs market. It doesn't care about employment. It cares about productivity margins. Future dominance, AI is doing one thing extremely well. It's making companies more efficient than ever before. And when efficiency rises, stock prices explode. That's why markets are going up while people are scared. Two different realities, two different games. Every technological revolution creates two groups, people who adapt, people who complain. In the Industrial Revolution, factory owners got rich. In the internet boom, tech founders got rich. In the AI revolution, data owners, AI infrastructure companies, semiconductor giants, cloud providers. That's where the money is flowing, not to workers, to owners. You have three options right now. Option 1, ignore AI, hope your job survives, pray. Option 2, learn how to use AI, increase your income power. Option 3, position yourself on the ownership side, because here's the brutal truth. AI won't destroy wealth, it will concentrate it. The middle gets squeezed, the top gets richer. This is not fear, this is history repeating itself. The question isn't, will AI take jobs? The real question is, will you be on the worker side or the owner side? 2026 is not a crash year, it's a shift year, and most people won't understand it until it's too late.